Building features is not enough. You have to think about how do you price your product in a way which is optimized for business success.
Many companies, especially in the beginning, aren't really sure what the benefit is yet. So they're not really sure how to price it.
Even mature businesses, it's an evolving process.
The speed of product innovation, customer needs, and company priorities changes a lot.
Launching a pricing model and then not changing it for the next 10 years, like those days are kind of gone.
It's not just a number that's on a page. Pricing is an experience, and I think we're just scratching the surface of how to give a consistent experience.
You don't want pricing to be a friction point. You want it to be a strategic advantage when you want to pull that advantage.
Pretty soon, it's going to not only become table stakes to be able to offer this level of flexibility, but businesses who don't do it might not even survive.
Billing,
underlying metering,
entitlements,
plans,
usage-based pricing,
subscription management,
Trials,
premium upgrade and downgrade flows,
the self-serve portal,
onboarding, paywalls,
Pricing page,
plan versioning,
how do I migrate customers over,
SKUs,
If you want to grandfather them, God forbid,
enterprise,
discount,
extending someone's trial,
a discussion with a sales rep who's got a quota to meet,
add-ons,
introducing new products,
a new plan, a new SKU, a new set of price models,
feature usage,
experimentation.
There are a million permutations.
integrations to the various systems.
the compliance side of things.
Humans are complicated.
Pricing is truly the one piece of your product that cuts across every single function.
and everybody has an opinion.
That's what makes it very complex and very nail-biting to some teams.
Major price changes can take quarters.
It kind of shakes the whole system.
It's universal. Every pricing project I've ever been on has been way more complicated than anyone appreciated.
It can solve a lot of things.
Click of a button and suddenly it's updated in all the right places, and everybody's on the same page. That doesn't just save you time, it saves you just the stress of coordinating everything, and there's no outlier that kind of breaks the whole thing.
decouple pricing and packaging changes from the need to write code so that products and business users can react to opportunities.
More controls where I could say, okay, today I want, to allow and give grace periods for overage, but maybe tomorrow I want to change our business model.
If you build it as a platform, you will be in a much better place to kind of quickly adapt to business needs.
Pricing and monetization is one of those things that every company has to do. So why isn't there a solution to help us do it faster?
A system like Stig, which allows us to be more flexible and with speed, and that helps me attain focus.
this category starts emerging and platforms like Stig become a lot more prevalent and an important part of the tech stack where we're more enabled and empowered to actually go make pricing a strategic advantage and be able to experiment and test a lot more frequently than I think we are today.